Now the second part of the chapter, area and perimeter. Now we will look at area and perimeter of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral यानी a closed figure having four sides. Okay. Now the quadrilateral, any random shape. Quadrilateral A, B, C and D. Not a special kind of quadrilateral, just four sides. Right? So its perimeter is very simple. The sum of all the four sides. यानी perimeter यानी AB plus BC plus CD plus AD यानी AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, that is the perimeter. Now what is area? If you draw a diagonal, એનો diagonal draw કરો and other two vertex પરથી એના પર perpendiculars draw કરો, यानी perpendicular and perpendicular. Now in the last section we know area of triangle is 1/2 of base into height. So ABCD area A for cap small લખવાનું, area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of this triangle ABC triangle, area of ABC मतलब this area plus this area, the area of quadrilateral whole, यानी area of ABC plus area of ACD, and the triangle area, we know that the area of triangle is 1/2 of base into height. So 1/2 of, for this triangle, base is AC and height is, for example, BM and DN are altitude, they are the altitude. હવે જે શેડેડ ટ્રાયેંગલ કર્યો છે ABC નો એરિયા તો 1/2 ઓફ બેઝ યાની AC, એના પરની હાઈટ મતલબ BN પ્લસ 1/2 ઓફ જે અનશેડેડ ટ્રાયેંગલ નો એરિયા is 1/2 ઓફ બેઝ મતલબ AC, એના પરની હાઈટ DN in AC into DN. Very simple. કોઈ પણ ક્વાડ્રિલેટરલ આપેલો છે અને એની પર એક કોમન ડાયગોનલ આપેલો છે અને ડાયગોનલ ઉપરની હાઈટ આપી છે. So 1/2 of base into height, 1/2 of base into height, right? Now when second time, when the quadrilateral whose diagonal intersect each other at 90 degree, જેના diagonal 90 degree માં intersect કરે, તો for example આવો quadrilateral છે whose diagonal intersect each other at 90 degree, ABC D, same as quadrilateral ABCD area is, you have to divide the triangle in quadrilateral into two triangles. This area यानी आखा ABCD नो area, that is the area of ABD and area of BCD. Okay, perimeter is same. Area of ABCD equal to area of ABD plus area of BCD. Area of ABD and area of BCD is area of ABCD. Now what is area? 1/2 of base यानी BD, એની ઉપરની હાઈટ यानी AO is the base into height, यानी AO. 1/2 of, now the lower triangle, base is BD, यहाँ पर ही height is CD, CO, OC और CO, यानी 1/2 of BD into OC, BD into OC. That is 1/2 of BD common. You can see 1/2 of BD, 1/2 of BD. So AO plus OC. AO plus OC. So AO plus OC. This plus this is AC. In place of AO plus OC is 1/2 of BD into AC. With a surprise, when the quadrilateral diagonal intersect each other at 90 degree and एक quadrilateral area था 1/2 of diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So 1/2 of diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Both the diagonal product into half is the area of that quadrilateral. And do you know what are the special name of quadrilateral whose diagonal bisect each other at a 90 degree? The first is, all the four sides is same, is a rhombus whose diagonal bisect each other at a 90 degree. So automatically area of rhombus is A, B, C, D. You can see that the one diagonal is greater than the other diagonal. Diagonals are not same in rhombus. एक diagonal मोटो હોય, एक diagonal તમે જુઓ ને આવી રીતે તમે ડ્રો કરશો તો બી તમને દેખાશે કે એક diagonal લાંબો હોય, એક diagonal short હોય, right? So that area is 1/2 of diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, यानी AC into BD. Diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Area of rhombus, because we know that rhombus diagonal bisect each other at a 90 degree, right? तो केमा diagonal 90 degree में bisect करे? First is rhombus में करे. Now in square, diagonals are equal. This and this length is equal. A, B, C and D, but they bisect each other at 90 degree. Suppose આ 8 હોય તો આ બી 8 હોય, પણ આમાં 8 હોય તો એક diagonal મોટો હોય, that is 10. Diagonal are not same, right? But in square diagonals are same, and as well as they bisect each other at 90 degree. So the area of square is ABCD. If it is square, the area equal to 1/2 of diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. But diagonal 1 equal to diagonal 2. Both the diagonal length is same. So we can say that only diagonal into diagonal. No 1, 2. Because both the diagonals are same. So the area is 1/2 of diagonal square is the area of square. Right? Area of square. Area of square આગળ બી આવશે. The 5th standard થી જોવો છો. What is the area of square? Area of square is the side into side, A into A. That is A square. That is the area of square. That is also you can apply when the diagonals are not given and the sides are given. Right? So we have two formulas for finding area of square. That is side into side, that is the side square, that is the area of square, as well as when the diagonal, one of the diagonal is given, because in square both the diagonals are same. So the area of square is 1/2 of diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. મને એ જ યાદ રાખવાનું છે. When they bisect each other at 90 degree, and the 1/2 of diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, but both the diagonals are same. So 1/2 of diagonal square is the area of square. Right? rectangle area. Rectangle is kind of quadrilateral, 4 sides. So rectangle, it is also made up of 2 triangles, right? And both the triangles, because rectangle, all the 4 corners, 4 angles are 90 degree. So AB 90 or AB 90, all the 4 are 90. But if I consider ABCD is rectangle and its diagonal divide into 2 parts. So area of ABCD, rectangle ABCD, equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ABC. Got it? This area plus this area is whole rectangle area. But we know that in a right angle triangle, right angle containing side is base into height, or we can say that is length into breadth. Base into height is base into height, but the triangle is 1/2 of. So 1/2 of BC into AB plus what is unshaded area triangle 90 degree, that is also right angle triangle. So right angle containing side is base and other side is height. So 1/2 of base yani AD into height yani CD. But we know that in a rectangle the opposite sides are same. So BC equal to AD. तो AD ની જગ્યાએ આપણે BC લખાય અને AB equal to CD. તો CD ની જગ્યાએ AD લખાય. So half of BC into AB, half of BC into AB. Half and half any 1. Yani BC into AB common if, then half plus half, that is 1. So BC into AB into 1. Into 1. Then the 1 into anything is same. BC into AB. And what is BC into AB? In rectangle, if we say the one side is length, then the other side is breadth. Length into breadth. So length into breadth, that is the area of rectangle. मैम ये तो हमने third standard की खबर है. What is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth. Got it? Length into breadth. Now what is the parameter of rectangle? So length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So what is the parameter? Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. We need 2L plus 2B. 2L plus 2B. 2 common L plus B. That is the parameter of rectangle. 2 into L plus B is the parameter of rectangle. Now in this chapter, chapter area and parameter, એમાં આપણે diagonal define કરીએ. ચલો એનો diagonal શું થાય? A, B, C and D. If we consider triangle BCD is a right angle triangle, and if I want to find its diagonal, and you know that the rectangle which हम cross માં નથી ને તો the diagonals are same. Square diagonals are equal and rectangle diagonals are also equal. Diagonals are also equal. Square and rectangle diagonals are equal. But the rhombus and parallelogram is a rhombus. One diagonal greater, another diagonal smaller. And rhombus and parallelogram. In parallelogram also, one diagonal is greater than the other. Right? So, square and rectangle diagonals are equal, while in rhombus and parallelogram, one diagonal is greater and another are smaller. Diagonals are not same. આપણે તો અહીંયા શું કરીએ છે? Rectangle, both the diagonals are same. Rectangle, both the diagonals are same. And if it is asked in the question, you have to find its diagonal, and you just try in the mind that the diagonals of rectangles are equal. diagonals of the rectangles are equal. So any one diagonal you have to find, not other, because both the diagonals are same in rectangle and square. Now let's apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle BCD. C is 90 degree. So 90 degree opposite side is diagonal or hypotenuse of triangle. 90 degree is how many side में hypotenuse given, and this hypotenuse is a diagonal. So in triangle BCD मा BD square as per the Pythagoras theorem, BD square equal to BC square plus CD square. What is BC? That is the L square, and CD is B square, is BD square. So BD equal to under root of L square plus B square. This answer. હવે એવું ના કહેતા કે આ B square ને square root છે તો L plus B થાય. That is wrong. Whenever the L plus B તો whole square and under root હોય, then and then you can cut the square and square root, that is L plus B. Whole square જોઈએ, whole square નથી, individual પોતપોતાનો square છે. So this is the answer of diagonal of rectangle. Okay. અને આ ફોર્મ્યુલા નથી, તમે જાતે ક્યારે ફાઇન્ડ કરી શકો as per the Pythagoras theorem, right? હા, પણ તમને યાદ હોવું જોઈએ કે રેક્ટેંગલ નો એરિયા લેન્થ ઇન્ટુ બ્રેથ, સ્ક્વેર એરિયા લેન્થ ઇન્ટુ લેન્થ, અને બીજો એરિયા નો ફોર્મ્યુલા 1/2 of diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, but both the diagonals are same for square. And what is the area of rhombus? Now area of rhombus, છેલ્લે તમને છેલ્લે રિવાઇઝ બી કરાવીશ. Now area of square, all the four sides are equal as well as both the diagonals are equal. All the sides is a. Right? So its parameter is equal to a plus a plus a plus a is 4a. And its area is equal to length into length, a into a, that is a square, on the basis of side. On the basis of side. As well as other formula of area of the same triangle on the basis of diagonal is 1/2 of diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. But we know that both the length of the diagonal in square is equal. So 1/2 of not 1 2, both the diagonals are same. So 1/2 of diagonal square is also the area of square. Now what about the diagonal? Diagonal કેટલું હોય? A, B, C and D. If I find BD square in triangle BCD मा, BCD in triangle BCD, BD square equal to BC square plus CD square, that is a square plus a square, that is 2a square, that is BD square. So BD equal to under root 2a square. Got it? A square છે આ સાઈડ છે તો square root થાય, તો root 2 square root cancel is a. So BD equal to root 2a. આ યાદ ના રહે તો કઈ નહીં, તમને સાઈડ પરથી તમે પાયથાગોરસ થિયરમ પરથી પણ લાવી શકો. Right? Now area of rhombus. This is all about square. Area of rhombus. Rhombus means all the four sides are same. All the four sides are same. A. So the rhombus parameter is 4a. A plus A plus A plus A is 4A, right? And the area equal to, not you can find from that side, so its area equal to 1/2 of diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, as the length of the both the diagonal are not same. This diagonal 1 and this is diagonal 2. So 1/2 of diagonal 1 and diagonal 2 is the area of rhombus. Okay, and diagonals are not same, be careful. Now area of trapezium is very important, very important. હવે એનું ફોર્મ્યુલા જ યાદ કરવાનો છે, પણ હું તમને ડેરાઇવ કરીને બતાવું. તમારે ડેરાઇવ કરવાની જરૂર નથી, પણ કેવી રીતે આવ્યો આ ફોર્મ્યુલા એ જોઈએ. Trapezium is a kind of quadrilateral whose only one pair is parallel. One pair is parallel, other is not parallel. આ નથી દેખાય છે જે આગળ જઈને મળે એ parallel નથી, but this is parallel. Is a trapezium. A, B, C, D is trapezium, right? ABCD is a trapezium. Now I divide the trapezium in two parts. Trapezium in two parts. Now area of ABCD equal to area of ABD, area of ABD plus area of BCD. And the triangle area, I know only one formula, that is the 1/2 of base into height. And for this triangle, if I consider is AD is base and our base this angle, do you know the obtuse angle triangle area? If I consider this base, then opposite vertex માંથી એની height તો બહાર જાય, કારણ કે આ તો 90 થી મોટું છે એટલે આની height કહેવાય, આ base કહેવાય. So this triangle ABC is 1/2 of base, this base, because of this obtuse angle triangle, this angle is obtuse, so the height will be out of triangle, that's base into height. The height is not inside triangle. So same as this is obtuse angle triangle, so if I consider 1/2 of base is AD, so the height is that is height, base into height, right? But we know that the between two parallel lines the height is same, right? So now area of this BCD is 1/2 of, and this triangle base is BC, and this is acute angle triangle, and the opposite vertex માંથી is also height, because this height and this height is same, because the height lies between the same parallel lines, so the height are same, so I denote as H. So BABD no area 1/2 of base into height, the height is outside of the triangle, and BCD no area 1/2 of base, yani BC and upper height yani H. You can see the 1/2 of H, 1/2 of H. The 1/2 of H is common, AD plus BC. That is 1/2 of. Now the formula is, what is the trapezium? Area of trapezium ABCD equal to 1/2 of AD plus BC. What is the AD plus BC originally? AB, that is the parallel side. And sum AD plus BC. So area of trapezium is 1/2 of sum of parallel sides. Any parallel sides નું sum કરવાનું, અને distance between them, that is H. Any H मतलब distance between them. Between means parallel side. between parallel sides, distance between them. Okay, this is the formula for trapezium. 1/2 of sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Right? Sum of parallel side into distance between them is the area of trapezium. Now one by one revise or recall all the formulas. चलो હું બધા ફોર્મ્યુલાસ ને અહીંયા ડિરાઇવ કરીને બતાવ્યું, હવે હું ખાલી લખીને બતાવું છું. આ થઈ જાય એટલે તમારી નોટબુકમાં તમને ના આપેલા હોય પ્રોપર, તમને આમાંથી સમજાતા હોય તો તમને તમારા હેન્ડરાઇટિંગમાં લખવું હોય તો ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાં, નોટબુકમાં, wherever you solve your questions, you have to write this formula. Actually, you have to write this formula because formula is very important. Formula नहीं आवड़े तो sum केवी रीते करशो. So I request all of you how to write at least 3 to 4 times the formula. Right? The first is quadrilateral. Any random type of quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is area of ABCD equal to area of ABD plus area of BCD. ABD and BCD. And you know 1/2 of base into height is 1/2 of here M છે, here N છે. So base is BD into height AM. 1/2 of base is BD into height is CN. So 1/2 of BD common. चलो आज रहेगा तो it's okay. It's just any kind of random type of quadrilateral. Second, if it is rectangle, then its area is equal to length into breadth and perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Right? And its diagonal is equal to under root L square plus B square. Now third, if it is square and its area na formula B है, if all the sides is A, then the area is side into side यानी A into A, or area equal to 1/2 of diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, both the diagonals are same. So ena area na બે formula છે, both the diagonals are same, and its diagonal equal to root 2A. Right? Now phone number, if it is rhombus, yani all the 4 sides are same but the diagonals are not same, and its area equal to 1/2 of diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, just that's it, nothing else. कोई बीजू formula नहीं है. Okay. Now the number 5 is perimeter is so easy. A is perimeter is 4A, and you cannot find its diagonal. हाँ diagonal find करी शको पण એવું અત્યારે કોઈ particular formula નથી. Okay. Now number 5, if it is trapezium ABCD, then its area is equal to 1/2 of sum of parallel side यानी AD plus BC, sum of parallel sides into distance between them यानी H, or if I say AM is height, so AM or height, distance between them. This is all about the formula we will use in the next section of this chapter, area and perimeter. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 बहुत एकदम शांति थी धीमे धीमे करीશું. there is no hurry to complete the chapter. બધાને બધું આવડે એ રીતે આપણે કરીશું, બરાબર? જે પણ ના આવડે બધા ડાઉટ્સ મૂકી દેજો, હું તમારા ડાઉટ સોલ્વ કરી દઈશ, બરાબર? examples. In example number 1, in a four-sided field, in a four-sided field, the longer diagonal is 108 centimeter meter. The length of the perpendicular the length of the perpendicular from the opposite vertex on the diagonal are this and this meter. You have to find the area of the field. You have to find the area. Let it be A, B, C, and you can see that is the longest diagonal. A, B, C and D. BD is the longest diagonal. In a four-sided field, the longer diagonal is 108 meter. Right? 108 है. The length of the perpendicular from the opposite vertex. Okay, आज ये diagonal है ना कि opposite vertex ની length of perpendicular. Let AM is perpendicular on longest diagonal. AM and CN are the perpendiculars. And this length is 17.6 and 12.4 meter. It's the easiest way to find the area of quadrilateral. Now, this diagonal divide the quadrilateral into two triangles. The shaded and unshaded. Area of ABCD, area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of ABD plus actually જ્યારે એરિયા લખીએ ને તો કોઈ સિમ્બોલ લખવાનો ના હોય. એરિયા સ્મોલ લેટરમાં લખવાનું AR, A સ્મોલ અને R, AR ડોટ ABCD. 4 letters છે already means 4 side. Area of 3 letters છે means 3 sides and 3 side must be triangle. So area of ABD and area of BCD. Area of ABD is 1/2 of base यानी BD and height यानी AM. 1/2 of for unshaded triangle base is BD and height is CN. You can see the 1/2 of BD is common. 1/2 of BD is common. So AM plus CN are common too. So 1/2 of BD, the longest diagonal, is 108. AM is 17.6 and CN is 12.4. 40 is 20. So 2160. 1620. 1620. 108 into 2. આમાં તો બધા કામ છે મારો તો. अच्छा હવે એનું અહીંયા શું થાય 30 થાય અહીંયા 15 so 15 into 108 1620 meter square is the area of the pyramid. 1620, right? Now example number 2. Find the area of quadrilateral whose sides are 4 side 1, 2, 3 and 4 side. The sides are 9, 40, 28 and 15. A quadrilateral whose sides are given and the angle between first two sides, any angle between 4 and 9 is 90. यानी 9 and 40 वच्चे जे two sides છે the angle between these two sides is 90 is given. Then you have to find the area of ABCD. Right? So find કરીશું કેવી રીતે find કરીશું? Yes. ચલો 90 ડિગ્રી છે આ 90 ડિગ્રી છે very simple અને diagonal draw કરી દો. So divide in two parts. Area of ABCD equal to area of BCD plus area of ABD. Alright, this triangle plus this triangle. And the right angle triangle area is the simplest one. 1/2 of base is right angle containing one side is base and right angle containing other side is height. So 9 is base and height is 40. So અહીંયા side B find કરવાનું આ બંનેને for triangle BCD. Area of BCD is 1/2 of base into height. 1/2 of base is 9 into 40. That is 20. 180 centimeter square is area of BCD. Now in ABD is not the special kind, no altitude, no base, nothing is given. So when only 3 sides are given, so we can use Heron's formula, right? But આ side બી નથી, but Pythagoras થી આપણે BD square find કરી શકીએ, right? So આ ટ્રાયંગલ માં રાખીએ in triangle BCD માં, in triangle shaded triangle BCD માં BC square plus CD square is equal to BD square. So BD square equal to BC square plus CD square. BC square plus CD square. That is 9 square plus 40 square. 81 plus 1600. 1681 is BD square. So BD equal to root of 1681 is 41. So BD equal to 41 meter or centimeter, whatever, centimeter. So BD equal to 41 centimeter. Now unshaded triangle, area of whole quadrilateral is area of one triangle plus area of another triangle. But area of the shaded triangle is right angle, so it is very easy to find its area. But what about when all the 3 sides are given? At that time we can use Heron's formula. चलो तो यहाँ करिए, try एक triangle है whose sides are 15, 28 and 41. 15, 28 and 41. So for finding from the sides we will use Heron's formula. કારણ કે એની કોઈ height નથી આપી ને, height નથી આપી, and it is not equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, so we don't have its formula also. So So only Heron's formula આપણે S find કરવાનું है. What is S? Is a semi parameter. 15 plus 28 plus 41 by 2. 84 by 2, that is 42, that is S. 42. Now area of triangle is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus A. Is very easy. Root આવે છે ને મોટું formula છે, not mean that it is hard. It's very easy. So S is 42. S is 42 minus A. What is small ABC? ABC are the sides, right? આપણે એકને A કહીએ, કોઈને બીજાને B કહીએ, તો ત્રીજી સાઈડને C કહેવાનું. Small ABC are the sides. S. A is 15. In place of A 15, you can also take 41. Not as a strict rule કે આને જ A લો. પણ જનરલી શું હોય, A હોય ને, A વર્ટેક્સ હોય તેની સામેની સાઈડને આપણે A લઈએ છીએ. કદાચ ના લો તો બી ચાલશે. Okay, 42 minus 15. S is 42 minus B is 41. And 42 minus 28. So under root of 42 into, chalo, 42 minus 15 is 7 and 3 minus 1 is 2. 27 is 1. 42 minus 41 is 1. And 42 minus 28 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 140. 42 minus 28 is 40. चलो હવે એને split કરો. Not mix, split it. 42 છે ને 14 છે ને, તો 14 threes are 42 यानी 14 threes are 42. 3 is 3 threes are 9 threes are 27. 27 no splitting into 14. So area equal to, chalo 2 times 14, so out of root 2 times 3 is 3 and 2 times 3 is 3, yani 14 nines are 126 centimeter square. Area of ABD. So area of ABD is 126 centimeter square and area of BCD is 180 centimeter square. So area of BCD is 180. Our main triangle, આપણે initially લીધું હતું 180 and 126. So 306 centimeter square is the area of quadrilateral ABCD. સેન્ટીમીટર હોય તો સેન્ટીમીટર લેવાનું, મીટર હોય તો મીટર લેવાનું. આમાં મીટર આપ્યું હોય તો મીટર, સેન્ટીમીટર આપ્યું હોય તો સેન્ટીમીટર. Now example number 3 and last of today's sum. The length of rectangle is twice its breadth. Perimeter is 270 meter. Find this area. Perimeter is 270 meter. Length is twice a rectangle whose length is twice. If the breadth is x, the length is 2x because length is twice. Let breadth be x, so length be twice or x, length is twice. And its perimeter is given So whatever the number is given in the question, you have to apply that formula. Then the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B is the formula. અને ના ખબર પડે તો length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. આ 2x હોય તો આ બી 2x, આ x હોય તો આ બી x. Right. So perimeter is 270 is 2 times. Length is 2x and breadth is x. 2x plus x is 3x. So 270, 2 into 3 is x. 3 9s are 245s are. So x is 45 meter. X is 45 meter. So we can find the dimension. Length is 2 into 45. So 90 meter. Length is 90. And breadth is x is 45 meter. Right. Now the area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Length is 90 and breadth is 45. 90 into 45. 4050 meter square. 4050 meter square is the area of rectangle. Okay. Now both the questions share, both the chapters. Okay. Sure.